Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Pisces. So I'll be picking few cards from these decks, guys, and I'll be giving the angels guidance message at last. Let us see what is coming up, guys. Three of Swords reversed. Knight of Wands. Six of Cups. The Empress. Eight of Cups. With these cards, Pisces, you feel some kind of distractions, some disorders, something maybe in your work, some kind of loss, or you may be feeling that way in some situations, guys. That may also be the energy here. Maybe you are speaking about it to your friends or family, somebody you're sharing your current situation, whatever is happening in your life, and maybe you feel something is interrupting you, something is blocking you from reaching where you want to reach, and you feel whatever work you do, you are getting some kind of what to say, distracted from doing it, or some kind of confusions are there. That may be in your relationship also, guys. With this person, you may feel totally confused what you feel there in this relationship, or maybe what they are saying and what they are doing. That may be totally what to say, it may not give you the clarity whether they like you or not, or for what they are there in this relationship. So that may also be the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you may feel this person is just there to just make use of you in some ways, and you really feel sad for it. They are not there for true love. That may also be the reason here for this feeling of loss, or this sadness that is there, this confusion that is there, guys. So that may also be the reason that this relationship is not what it is, what you feel about it. Maybe you would have thought that it is a good relationship, you would have felt that love, and you would have felt that affection for this person, and they are not reciprocating it the same way like you do, and you feel lost here. So that is the energy here, Pisces. Let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards here. What is the energy? Stars, Book, Clover, Snake, House. Pisces, with these cards, I feel you would have felt deceived by this person. This may concern your work situation, or in this relationship. You, just like I said, you would have felt used for something, for some benefit of theirs, and you're feeling really lost the way you feel in the situation today. And for some of you all, you would have gained some knowledge, or you would have come across some secrets of theirs, and you are really what to say, you are coming to an understanding of your situation because of that. After getting to know about certain things about this person, some kind of information or some kind of secrets, somebody is revealing that, maybe your friend or your common friends or some family members, someone. So That may be the energy here, guys, or maybe you are uh, going in for some kind of learning, you're attending some workshops or something like that, guys, some self improvement classes, something like that. And these two are a very positive cards here, guys, Star and Clover. With these two cards, I feel you are surely going to feel that inspiration and guidance in your heart to reach what you want to reach today, Pisces. And luck is on your side. So some rare opportunities are coming your way today. Something rare is coming up, something what to say, just like out of a dream. What you were expecting for a long time now, that is coming your way, and you're going to feel very lucky today, guys. So this opportunity may not last forever, so you need to analyze it and utilize it quickly. So that is the energy here, guys. So you should not waste time. And if it is in this relationship, maybe this information about this person is clearing the confusion, maybe whatever you had. So you may be getting back together if you really want this person, and you may see the path, the choices you need to make in this relationship to reach what you want to reach in this relationship, guys, or in your work, whatever goals you have. So you will see the path to reach your goals. So that is the energy with these cards, and you are trying to build yourself a very safe and secure future, maybe with this person, and you're going to feel that comfort and stability there, and you're going to structure your life, guys. You're planning your life and you're structuring it with this person. You're creating your own boundaries in life, in your work, what you need to do, and what is your limit, and what is your, what to say, till what you can work, how far you can push your limits. You are realizing all that today. So you are reflecting within yourself, you are thinking what you need to do, and you are going to make it possible, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, Pisces. Let us see what is the angel's guidance for today, guys. What is the angel's guidance card? Be discerning. So just like I said, you will come to know about the path, what you want to take to reach your goals. So you need to be very clear today. The energy with this card, guys, is you need to be very clear today what is your goal and what is the path you need to take. So the choices you make, not the big choices, even the smaller ones, will make a great difference where you reach. So what kind of goal you reach. So you do not have to be judgmental, and you should leave all the confusions. So you should think deeply, not superficially. You should think deeply and act upon wisdom, what you want to do, and you have to have that confidence, and you have to think about your situation wisely and then decide, guys. So when you have the deep understanding, you will know what choices you need to make today to reach the goals you want to reach, Pisces. So that is the energy here, guys. So you are going to overcome confusions. Luck is on your side, guys. So that is the overall energy here. So whatever happened in the past, whatever distractions or confusions or some kind of interruptions you were facing, that may be in the past or that may be today, you are going to overcome it with some good luck, something great, some great opportunities coming your way, or some friend is clearing the doubts you had regarding this person, or some confusions you had regarding this person. So that is the reading, guys, for you all, Pisces. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Pisces.